President atongoze katika namutayike yokulakulanya eggwanga y'omuteeko gw'okuna ya National Development Plan. President Lula agedekera eggwanga ebikoleddwa amagwa ebyensi bipira 1.5 n'okuba ttooki ku binaakolebwa mu kiseera ekijja. Asoose kutanya ku bizibu ebikolebwa gavumenti y'okusitula obulamu bw'abantu.
Applaud you all for positively utilizing the peace and tranquility prevailing across the country and the improved physical infrastructure to improve your personal lives.
President yategezza nti birina okuba olw'obutebenkevu okuzimba amakolero okutunda ebintu ebweru okwekolera ebyo tusobola okujja ebweru okunoonya akatale k'ebintu okuyigiriza abavubuka emirimu egy'emikono okwongera kunganya emisolo okendeza ku nsanya ensimbi okulwanyisa enguzi n'ebirala.
And I thank the Parliament here, as you heard the Speaker was listing those bills which you passed, which enabled this rationalization to take place.
Alambudde ku nteekateeka ya PDM nti eyingidde omwaka ogwokusatu ngendo bakagissa mu trillioni 3.
The partial development model is now in its third year of implementation. By the end of this financial year, in June 2025, shilling 3.3 trillion will have been provided to the parish development model. The government is currently providing shillings 100 million for each parish per year, per annum.
President agambye nti mu kulambula kwabadde ku mugwanga lyonna awayiza mu n'abafuna ssente za PDM tebamuwulira byebazifunyemu era baakuzongeramu.
During my up-country trips, I have interacted with some of the beneficiaries of the PDM funds who have used them to start enterprises in food crops, farming, goat keeping, piggery, beekeeping, etc. In Ikisoro, some of the PDM beneficiaries earned between 16 to 20 million shillings from onions over a period of 2 years, using the initial seed capital of just 1 million shillings.
Alazisa nyola Uganda National Oil Company okutwala obuvunaanyizibwa ku mafuta agayingira kuno nga kiviiriddeko ebbeeyi y'ag'okukamu n'omutindo okweyongera.
Has experienced some reduction in fuel pump prices. We rejected the old mistake of a whole country like Uganda buying petroleum products from middlemen in Kenya. Can you imagine? So when I came to I said this will not happen. Why not buy from refiners? Don't you know where the refineries are?
President era akonye ku nguudo ezikubiddwa kolansi nga ziweze kilomita 600 ne zigenda okukolebwako.
The stock of tarmac roads is now 6,199 kilometers compared to only 1,900 kilometers when the NRM took power in 1986. Of these 1,900 kilometers, only 114 kilometers were in fair condition.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.